Moving forward towards the method number 2, that is by using a regular expression. So first we are going to import our library, that is we are going to import space re. After that we are going to initialize our string, and after that we are going to use an re.sub method and re.compile method over here. So why we are using that re.compile method over here? Because we need to combine a regular expression pattern into the pattern objects, so which are going to be used into the pattern matching into our re.sub method over here. So that's how we are going to work. And into the re.sub we have the three parameters passed. The first is to the pattern, which we have been got by using an re.compile method. Second is the no space intent in between them, so that's how we are going to remove the spaces, and the iterable on which we are going to work on, that is a string 1. And after that, the output of the re.sub, we are going to get it into the string number 2 variable, and we have them as an output having the no intent in between them.